Hi, my name is Jay Pearson, and I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you why you can't heel flip. One of my subscribers yesterday said he can't heel flip because his board keep going backwards. So if that's happening, this video is for you. The most common reason why you can't heel flip is because you're probably putting your kicking foot far off the board like this when you trying to kick the board and trying to do a heel flip motion. So this is what that look like when you trying to kick the board like that. So you see why you don't supposed to have your foot hanging off the board far out like that, because if you do that, you're not gonna be able to flick the board as well if you had your foot in a little bit like this, like my hand is placed on the board. So if you have your foot kind of in, you will perform the heel flip the right way. And another reason why you can't heel flip is because your popping foot is not placed in the right spot. Some beginners be putting a popping foot way up here where my hand is placed on the board. So I'm gonna show you what that look like. So just like I showed you right there, if you put your foot like this all the way on the tail when you're performing a heel flip, it's not gonna pop right. So you gotta have your popping foot placed on the edge like this in the pocket on the tail. If you have it like that, you'll pop the board right and the board will flip right as your kicking foot is placed in the right spot. So this is what that look like. So just like I showed you a minute ago, placing your foot in the right position on the board, if you do that, you will do the motion of a heel flip the right way. This is how you're supposed to set up. So if you set up like that, it'll give you a better advantage of performing a heel flip the right way. I get a lot of questions asking why is their board is going backwards when they trying to heel flip. The reason why is because you leaning too far forward, or you just throwing the board backwards when you flipping the board. So this is what that look like when you leaning forward when you're trying to heel flip. And you see why you can't heel flip? Because you're leaning forward when you're trying to heel flip. So if you lean forward when you trying to heel flip, the board will automatically go backwards. So this is what it look like when you're not leaning forward when performing a heel flip. So just like I showed you a minute ago, when you're not leaning forward, the board will automatically stay under you when you are staying stable with yourself in the board. So if you're leaning forward, that board will go backwards because that motion of yourself is going forward and that motion of the heel flip is going the opposite way of you flicking. The real secret of actually keeping the board under you, all you gotta do is do this motion. If you do that motion and flick at the same time, the board will stay under you. So if you try that motion, the board will stay under you. If you do that, it'll give you a better advantage of actually keeping the board under you. So if I was you, I would actually try that motion. So if you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to share it with someone else that might need this tip on helping them heel flip. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.